So for this part of the project, I configured a web server using IIS 7 to host my simple university website. So first, I installed and enabled Internet Information Services or IIS on the Windows Server 2008. IIS is used to host and manage websites within the network. So next is as you can see, I created a mini university website and placed it inside the default web directory, which is the www root folder. So this serves as the homepage of the university where general information can be accessed. So after that, I created subdirectories inside the www folder for each academic department. So we have so much more department like BPBE, electronics, information technology, etc., and some administrative office such as the registrar, uh, some office, records office, finance office, and director's office. So I created a code for the our index point HTML so that for each academic and administrative office, each subdirectory contains a simple web page that represents its respective department, such as basic arts and sciences. So under the courses for electrical and allied, mechanical, civil, and administrative offices like registrar or finance. So each department page includes the basic information such as department name and the description and sample content. So these pages can be accessed through the browser using the server's IP address followed by the folder name. So for example, users can access a department page by typing the server IP address / the department name is in the browser. So now I configure all the departments and there and their subdirectory. It contains for the simple web page, so it represents all the courses for its respective department. So I'm gonna configure all the index point HTML under the department. So these pages for index point HTML, it can access through the browsers of the server's IP address followed by their folder name. So I configure all the index to the respective department, and the content is all about the courses under it. So as you can see, I configured all the courses under the department, and the index.html is accessed with the general information about their courses. So this IIS web server, it allows centralize the hosting of the websites, and it provides easy access to information across all the networks and informations under their department. So all of these department pages includes basic information such as department name and their descriptions and some simple content. So I'm gonna use the HTML for this website. So now I configured all the academic departments. So now um, I am in the admin offices. So finally, I tested the web server by accessing the website from computers to ensure that all pages load